Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, now welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Today I am going to start exercise 11 from M.N. Agarbal book. Here the chapter is section formula. Now before I going to start this chapter, you have to know some formula. So here the first one, you have to know how to find out the midpoints of a line segment joining by 2 points. So suppose here the 2 points are A and B, and if the coordinate of the point A equal to x1 y1 and the coordinate of the point B equal to x2 y2. So here A and B are 2 points and AB is the line segment. Now you have to find out the midpoint of this line segment. Suppose here C is the midpoint of this line segment. So you have to find out the coordinate of this point. So here the formula equal to if C is the midpoint, so the coordinates of C equal to, the formula is first one x1 plus x2 by 2, then the second one y1 plus y2 by 2. So that is the formula of midpoint. To find the coordinate of the midpoint, first x1 plus x2 by 2, that is the first coordinate, and second one y1 plus y2 by 2, that is the second coordinate. Now the next formula. The next formula is here A and B are 2 points and here AB is the line segment. Now if this point, that means point C, if this point divide this line segment into M is to N ratio. Okay, if this point divide this line segment M is to N ratio, then you have to find out the coordinate of this point. So to find out the coordinate of this point, the formula is, suppose if the coordinate equal to x3 and y3, then the formula is x3 equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So to find out the coordinate of x3, here x3 equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So as well as now coordinate of y3 equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so to find out the coordinate, the formula is x3 equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and here y3 equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So now here the sum number 1. In sum number 1, Roman 1, the find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the following pairs of points. So here the first pair of point is 2, -3 and -6, 7. Now you have to find out the midpoint. Okay, so to find out the midpoint, we have to apply the formula. Here the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So that are the two coordinates of the midpoints of that point. So here x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to -6, y1 equal to -3, y2 equal to 7. So x1 plus x2, that means 2 minus 6. So 2 minus 6, that becomes -4 divided by 2. And the second one y1 plus y2, that means -3 plus 7. Now -3 plus 7, that equal to +4. So +4 by 2 again. So here the coordinate is 2 by -4, that means -2, and 2 by 4, that equal to 2. So here the answer, the midpoint is 2 minus 2, 2. So that is the answer. Now the next one, sum number 1, Roman 3. Here the point coordinates are a plus 3, 5b, and 2a minus 1, 3b plus 4. That are two pairs of the point. Now you have to find out the midpoint of these two pairs of points. So here x1 plus x2, that means a plus 3 plus 2a minus 1 by 2, and y1 plus y2, so 5b plus 3b plus 4 by 2. Now a plus 2a, 3a, and 3 minus 1, 2. So 3a plus 2 by 2. Here 5 plus 3b, that equal to 8b, 8b plus 4 by 2. So here 3a plus 2 by 2 will be remaining. And the next one here, as if you common 4 from the numerator, so here if you common 2 from the numerator, so 4b plus 2 will be remaining, and the upper 2 and the lower 2 will be cancelled out. So the final answer is 3a plus 2 by 4, here 4b plus 2. That are the coordinates of the midpoint. So now here the sum number 2. In sum number 2, P divides the distance between A -2, 1 and the next point B 1 minus 4. So P divides the distance between A and B in the ratio, that means m is to n, here 2 is to 1. In the ratio 2 is to 1, calculate the coordinate of that point P. That means you have to find out the coordinate of that point. So suppose Pxy is that point, and you have to find out the coordinates of P, that means x and y. So now the formula, so according to the formula here, x equal to, the formula is mx2 plus nx1. Okay, remember that, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So as here m equal to 2 and x2 means this one, so you can also write here x1 y1 x2 y2. So mx2, that means 2 into 1 plus second one nx1. Now n means 1 and x1 here minus 2, so 1 into minus 2. Now divided by m plus n, that means 2 plus 1. So that equal 2 plus 2 into 1 2, here also minus 2 into 1 minus 2 divided by 3, so that equal to 0. Now the next one, the coordinate of y, and that equal to, formula will be same, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So here m y2, so y equal to 4, so 2 into 4, that becomes 8. Next one, 1 into y1, y1 means 1, so 1, and divided by m plus 2, so 1 2 plus 3, that means 9 by 3. So 9 by 3 is 3. That means the coordinate of point P equal to 0, 3. So 0, 3 is the answer. Now sum number 3. In sum number 3, find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 3, -3 and 6, 9. Suppose here P and Q, okay, here point P and Q be the points which trisect the line segment joining the points. So the coordinate of P be x1 y1 and the coordinate of Q be x2 y2. So first it is the point P and Q are trisect this line segment. That means this one, the first part, second part and third part. Okay, there are most equal part. So that means this point P points divide this line segment into 1:2. Okay, P point divide this line segment into 1:2, and Q point divide this line segment into 2:1 ratio. Okay, so here the first point P divide this line segment into 1:2. For the point P, the ratio equal to 1:2. So here the value of x1 equal to 1 into 6 plus 2 into 3 divided by 1 plus 2, and that equal to 4, and y1 equal to 1 into 9 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 2 into divided by 1 plus 2, and that equal to 1. So the coordinate of the point P equal to 4:1. Sorry, 4, 1. Now next, for the point Q. Now point Q divide this line segment as 2:1 ratio. So for the point Q, the ratio equal to 2:1. That means m equal to 2 and n equal to 1. So here the value of x2. So first you have to find out the value of x2. So for value of x2, 2 into 6 plus 1 into 3 divided by 2 plus 1, and that equal to 5, and y2 equal to m1 y2, so that means 2 into 9 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1, and that equal to also 5. So the coordinate of point Q equal to 5, 5. Now sum number 4. In sum number 4, the line segment joining the points A32 and B51 is divided at the point P. Let the coordinate of the point P be x and y in the ratio 1:2. That means m is to n equal to 1:2, and it lies on the line 3x minus 18y plus k equal to 0. That means that point, the point P lies on that. Okay, so first we have to find out the value of x and y. So here x equal to, as the formula, mx2 plus nx1, that means 1 into 5 plus 2 into 3 divided by 1 plus 2, so that equal to 11 by 3. And next y equal to my2 plus ny1, so 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2, and that equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so the coordinate of point P equal to 11 by 3 and 5 by 3. Now this point lies on this line, that means it's satisfied. That means the value of x will be this one and value of y equal to this one. So according to the problem, we can write 3 into 11 by 3 minus 18 into 5 by 3 plus k, that equal to 0. Okay, so now 3 here, 3 into 6 86, so 11 minus 6 into 5 30 plus k equal to 0. So here k equal to 19. Okay, so that means the value of k equal to 19. Now sum number 5. In sum number 5, find the coordinates of the point which is 3/4 of the way from A 3,1 and B 2,5. So here let the P be the point, and so AP by PB equal to 3/4. As it's 3/4 of the way, so AP by AB, so not PB, AP by AB equal to 3/4. Now we have to find out the point P. Okay, so as AP by AB equal to 3/4 and AB means AP plus PB, so you can write here AP by AP plus PB, so that equal to 3/4. So by cross multiply, 4AP equal to 3AP plus 3PB. So here AP equal to 3PB. Now next one, AP by PB equal to 3/1. That means the ratio of this line segment equal to 3:1. Okay, so the point P divide this line segment into ratio 3:1. That means M is to N equal to 3:1. Now we have to find out the value of x and y. So here x equal to the same formula, so 3 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3 divided by 3 plus 1, that means 4. So finally we'll get minus 3/4. And y equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 into 1 divided by 3 plus 1, and that equal to 16/4, so that equal to 4. So the coordinate of the point P equal to minus 3/4 comma 4.